Today we are going to be making a balanced sunshine smoothie. Ingredients needed for this recipe are 1 banana, half cup orange juice, half cup frozen mango, half cup frozen pineapple, half cup coconut water, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, juice from half a lime, and 1 sprig of freshly minced mint. Pro tip: slice and freeze your banana first for a creamier, colder smoothie. Start by slicing up your banana into small enough pieces to fit through the mouth of a blender. Following the formula of the balanced smoothies, we are going to start with our liquid and add in a half cup of coconut water. Add in your banana, mango, pineapple, orange and lime juice for your fruit serving, and the chia seeds for your healthy fat, which will add heart-healthy nutrients to the mix. Now that you have all the ingredients needed to create a balanced, healthy smoothie, all that is left is to add your mint, blend well, and enjoy.